Here's poppin' playboys, welcome back to the channel. I honestly can't wait to the day that I don't have to do my intro in front of my house and I'll be like at a garage or something. Hopefully one day I'll get that wish and I have multiple cars instead of just one SI. So yeah, one day it'll happen though. But in today's video we're gonna be installing some brand new turn single LEDs, switchback LEDs by Lasfit. Shout out to Lasfit for sponsoring this video. They're the one who provided me with these nice, beautiful LEDs. Look at those things. Oh my God, them things clean. But yeah, so these LEDs, I think they shine clear, and then when you turn on the turn signal, it flashes orange, which is pretty dope. Because I'm not a fan of orange. I actually want to remove this orange piece in my headlight, but I don't have another set of headlights to actually work on and do that. So I don't want to mess up my stock ones and be out of headlights. So yeah, these gonna work perfect for what I'm trying to do, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Also, if you guys want to purchase some Lasfit products, go on lasfit.com or click the link in my like I'm gonna put it in the description and use code zoovie10, and that's gonna give you 10% off any purchase. It could be something for like $5. You use the code and it'll take out 10%. So yeah, man, I'm trying to save y'all money while saving me money. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna show you guys how to install these bad boys, show you guys what they do. But first I want to show you guys my LEDs that I have in now. I got some like cheap LEDs, like stupid cheap, don't even know why I got them. But I'm gonna show you guys what those look like, and then I'm gonna compare them to these when I get one of them in. So let's get it. I honestly think I'm saying the company's name wrong. I think it's Lasfit. I don't know why I got laser from. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I think it's Lasfit. I can never say like companies' names right. So Lasfit. Shout out to y'all for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let me show you guys what these LEDs I have in my car look like right now. Cause they ugly, boy. Oh gosh, almost died. But they pretty ugly, boy. Well, they're not that bad. They're just not bright as I would like them to be. Yeah, it needs some touch up, you feel me? It needs some touch up, so them things ugly. So to make the install easier, I am gonna jack up the car and like, you know, take off the wheel, because I don't feel like cramming my hand inside there. So I'm gonna take off the wheels, well, take off whatever side I'm working on, and then I'm gonna show you guys what to do after that. It's not necessarily needed for you guys to take off your wheel, but it just makes it easier. If you want to be like a rebel and do it with your wheel on and turn your wheel and don't jack up your car, go ahead and do it. But for me, I don't feel like stressing today, man. Bye. Alright, so here comes the easy part. Inside your wheel well, there should be like a clip. Well, mine's not there. Should be like a clip right here that holds this from like folding. And it should be damn, do I even have it? Nope, I don't even have it. Since my fenders are rolled, I don't have that piece that's like blocking this. But if you want, you can take out this clip right here, and it'll be a clip right here, and then this should be able just to like fold down. Probably have to use some strength. Well, something's holding it. What's holding it? It should be this clip holding it. So I'm gonna take out this clip, and I should be able to pull this down a little bit enough so I can get behind here. It'd be a very smart thing if you put some gloves on, because like under your wheel well is super dirty and your hands will turn blacker than Michael Blackson's toes. Also be careful with your clips because they do crumble, as you guys can see. Like these things just, wow. Yeah, so that sucks. I mean, I guess I still can use it. I hope so, but yeah, this thing just like shattered once I touched it. And so when you get that second clip out, just be able to like fold down, and like the bulb is like literally right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. See if I could angle this a little bit more, but like the bulb is literally right here, like right behind this tube. Come on, focus, find it, like right there. When you guys do it, you guys will be able to see it. So it's like a gray socket. So it's literally right here, literally right there. You just can't see it because I got that freaking intake tube still in my car for some reason. I'm gonna take that out because it's really no point in traveling anymore, and it's a lot of weight. So yeah, it's literally right behind that tube. Once you get in here and you can move that tube around, you'll see it. And you just on, I think it's counterclockwise. You hit it counterclockwise or clockwise, or wherever it is, and then you just take out the socket, take out the bulb, you put the new bulb in, which is in my car, and then that's it, baby.
Five minutes later.
After like 20 minutes of fighting, I finally got it out. So what I did was, it's like a little clip right here. I don't know if you guys can see that well, if it focuses. It's like a little clip right here that I took off. And then when I took it off, I just popped off this hose. I don't know where that piece went. Oh wait, the piece is still inside here. So yeah, I popped off this hose right here, which was connected to this hose right here. And then I just bent it out the way, and you're able to get to where you need to go. And then I just turned this counterclockwise, I think it was. Counterclockwise, yeah, I think. And then I just pulled it out, and that was it. Why do I look so black? But yeah, that was what. That was it. All right, so here's the easy part. Well, I already said that already, but here's the easier part. What you want to do now, once you get your little socket out with your LED bulb, just want to pull it out. Simple, just like that. Toss that. If you want to use it, keep it, save it, whatever you want to do with it. And then you just want to plug your new one in the same way as you took the old one out. Clamps right down, perfect. And before you put it back in the socket, before you put it back in your headlight, you want to turn it on and see if you got it on correctly, because I know there's like certain ways you're supposed to put it, and I don't know if I put it right, so I'm gonna check right now. Oh yeah. That thing look good, boy. That thing look good. So, oh man, damn, this is pretty bright. That's kind of blinding me. Yeah, but I got it in right. That thing look nice, boy. Yes, sir. Good job. So I pretty much just show you guys how to do it. So now what you guys want to do is do everything I did, but in reverse. And then I'm gonna do the other side, but I'm not gonna record it because that's just stupid, to be honest. I'm just gonna show you guys the outcome, and hopefully when I finish this, the sun will be going down pretty fast, so I can show you guys. So I can show you guys it in the nighttime, because it looked pretty damn good, boy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Ooh, the drip. Oh my gosh, these look good, you guys. Compared to this side, it's just, you can't even see it. Even though it's in the sun, you can't even see it. Look at that. I mean, it looks nice. It looks alright. It's just not bright. Like in person, this is like really, really freaking bright. Like this is literally like hurting my eyes as I'm looking at it. Like that's how bright they are, and it looks so good. Ooh, drip. All right, so this is how it looks when you have your headlights on. It stays on. It's a pretty bright light. So I guess it's like a clear. I don't really know how it looks at night, but from right here it looks clear. It doesn't look blue. And yeah, it's pretty bright compared to this one over here, which is not on at all. The ones I had in before I put the Lasfit ones in, these stay off. The trash ones I got. And yeah, gas, trash. Gas, trash. Can't wait till it's nighttime so I can show you guys both of them right now. I just have the driver's side in. I'm gonna put in the passenger side like right now, but I'm not gonna record it like I said. So yeah, the next clip is gonna be both of them in at like 6 o'clock at night, which is crazy because 6 o'clock at night, man, I miss the old time. before I add that clip of me showing you guys the lights at nighttime, I just want to show you guys how freaking easy the passenger side is. Literally, do the same thing you do to the driver's side. Pop off that one clip, pull the fender, well, pull your, whatever this crap's called down, and then look, it's literally right there. Oh my gosh, right there. So damn easy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end off the video right here. If you guys enjoyed what you guys seen, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to purchase these LED bulbs, go to Lasfit. I'm gonna say Laserfit. I almost got myself. Go to lasfit.com, or I'm gonna put in my just click the link in my description. It's gonna take you right to the site, and use code zoovie10 for 10% off. You can buy anything on that site with that code, and also refer it to everybody else, send it to your friends, let them know that your boy's trying to save, trying to help y'all save. So yeah man, that's gonna be it for the video. Please follow me on Instagram at, you know what it is, _got the soda, and that's gonna be it. Your boy's out. Peace.